So we go on to the buzzer round. The action shifts now. We move on to the category 3 and 4. You know, these are the bigger kids and we wanted to try and play around a little more with them. So the next round is a bit of a play and it's a bit of a risk-taking ability amongst these contestants. After all, this is the grand finale. This is going to be a buzzer round and we're going to go with category 3 and 4 separately. And if the kids know the answer, they stand up and go for it. I will go with the person whom I see standing up first. As a quiz master, it's my gut feel that I'll go with first. They take a look at the answer. They can shoot out their answer. If they're right, they get a +5. If they're wrong, they get a -5. There are negative markings, so be cautious before you do that. Your first word on the buzzer is symphony. Number 1. Tanish.
SYMPHONY.
+5. Well done. Once you stand up, I will not repeat the word. I will not say you the meaning. You have to go for it with the spelling. You ready? Your next word on the buzzer is meticulous. Tanish.
METICULOUS.
That's fantastically done. Well done, Tanish. That's right. Well done. Your next word on the buzzer is pedestrian. Tanish.
PEDESTRIAN.
That's well done. That's right as well. Your next word is inaugurate. Pranshu.
INAUGURATE.
That's right, my friend. Well done. Sit down. I go with my gut feel. Your next word on the buzzer is orientation. Chinmay.
ORIENTATION.
That's right, Chinmay. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. Let me go on to your next word. Your next word on this is barricade. Chinmay.
BARRICADE.
Well done, Chinmay. That's right. Your last word for this round is complacency. Tanish.
COMPLACENCY.
I thought you could have got that one right to sign off on a good note, my friend. That's what happens when you stand up so fast without hearing the word properly. But congratulations, you've got it right, my friend. Well done. +5 to finish it off. Thank you. That completes 2 more. Your next word is insatiable. Pranshu.
INSATIABLE.
That's right, my friend. Well done. Insatiable is right. We go on to your last word maybe for this round. Your last word on this round is ventriloquism. Tanish.
VENTRILOQUISM.
You got a way of walking your way into such kind of tricky situations. You went up first the last time, and I was scaring you that you were wrong. This time I'm not scaring you because you are right. Well done. So we'll come back to the scores. Very well done. We've completed your set of rapid fire.